rising and buyers have been active as more new inventory continues to come to the market. It's Friday, April 4th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Pending contract activity rose nicely in Prince George's County. While overall prices and buyer activity appear to be strong, list prices also continue rising in most areas despite higher competition from new inventory. Properties coming soon rose 8.8% to 1,784. 2,042 new properties hit the market, rising 12% this report. 1,768 homes went under contract in 12 days, rising 3%. 1,536 properties settled at 100%, remaining at 12 days before contract. Rental properties dropped to 2,453 properties for lease this report, priced at $2,421 million. That's your wrap for the Maryland Market Minute for Friday, April 4th, 2025. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.